everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make this macrame star. Let's get started. To begin, you will start by folding your longest rope right in half so that we have a loop on one side and two long strands that go the other direction. And now I'm just going to secure this down to my board with tape, and I'm going to make sure I leave about an inch, maybe an inch and a half of space for a loop here on the end, and you will see why in a moment. And now I'm going to take all my other ropes and attach them to this with a lark's head knot. So I just take those pieces, fold them in half, send it over and around, and then pull the two strings through the loop. And then I pull it tight. And I'm just going to slide it into place over here. And I'm going to repeat with the remaining 9 ropes. Once you have all 10 ropes attached, you're going to want to just pull up your tape so you can use this loop. And what we're going to do is take the 2 strands here and send them right around and through the loop. Okay, just like that. So I just sent them through the loop, and then I'm just going to pull, and a ring is going to be formed. And just pull it tight, and then you can go ahead and kind of adjust everything as needed for your little ring. And we're actually going to be using these 2 ropes as part of the project, which is why we cut them extra long. Our next step is to start tying 2 square knots in a row all the way around our ring. So I will start by taking 4 ropes here, and I'm going to take the one on the far right to cross over the 2 in the middle. The one on the left then goes over that right rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop, and I pull that tight. Then I take the string on the left to cross over the 2 in the middle. The rope on the right goes over that, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And I just pull that tight. And that is my first square knot, and so I'm just going to repeat it one more time with the same 4 ropes. Now I'm going to move on and do the next 4 ropes and repeat the same process. Mistake update. I attached one too many ropes. I guess I forgot to take into account the 2 that we tied the ropes to would act as this. So we want 10 ropes total, so only attach 9 to the 1 string, as that one will act as the 10th rope. Otherwise you'll be off 1, so I'm just gonna fix my mistake right now. I just wanted to share that with you guys so you guys don't make the same mistake I just did. And there we go. So I have 5 little points for my star. This is what it should look like. I fixed my mistake. And now I'm going to tie alternating square knots all the way around. So I'll use 2 ropes from each previous set of square knots and tie a new one. And when I make this, I am going to leave a little bit of a gap between my square knots. And we are only making 1 square knot for these. Alright, so here it is all complete around. And now my next step is to use groupings of 2 and tie alternating half hitch knots. And I think I'm going to do 6 in a row. So I start with the side here on the right to cross over. It twists around and comes through the loop. And then I just pull that tight. And then I take the left side to cross over. It wraps around and goes through the loop, and I pull it tight. And I'm just going to keep repeating this. Alright, so I did 8 total, and now I'm going to move to the right side and do the next 2 ropes and repeat the same steps. So once I have both sides done, I'm going to connect these with a square knot. Just like that. And I'm going to repeat this step all the way around. And there we go. So this is what it will look like when you have all your points finished. And my final step is I'm just going to take all my little ropes and I'm just going to trim them pretty short. You can leave as much length as you want, or you can trim as much off as you want to. Now I did leave these 2 ropes long because I'm going to use them to tie a loop so I can hang this up. So I'm just going to tie myself a double knot and make a little loop. And I am finished. I hope you guys really enjoyed this star tutorial, or I guess it could even be considered a snowflake. I think it's perfect for the winter season and the holiday season, but it's also cute for just any day as well. You could make one extra large too and hang it on a wall. This size would look good on a wall, or just put it on the table as table decor. Whatever you choose, it will look great. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.